Hello, families. So I know some of you weren't able to meet with us this morning, and that's okay. I'm going to show you how to access the lesson plans on the TUSD website. So first, just go to your search engine. I'm using Google. I'm going to type in TUSD website. And then once you type in, it should be the first one. So I'm going to hit TUSD Unified School District. Once you're on this page, you're going to come to the right hand side where it says Learn from Home. Click on there. You're going to scroll down a little bit where it has all the grades. Now, if you have students in multiple grade levels, you're able to find all of their lesson plans here. For the sake of our class, I'm going to hit grade 1. It's also here on this side, whichever one you prefer. I'm just going to click here, grade 1. And then right here are learning activities, grade 1, weekly activities, and it shows week 1. So right here they have literacy, math, music, OMA, science, and social studies. Now there are lots of subjects here. If you can't get to them all, that is okay. I really want you to focus on literacy and math. So if you can't do all of them, that's fine. Our big focus is literacy and math. So I'll show you the literacy and math lessons. So let's click on literacy. Going to come down here. Okay, it shows you how to use this page. And it tells you right here to keep in mind that they do not have to do everything that's on here. So please do not stress yourself out. Don't think that everything has to be done. It doesn't all have to be done. It's just a menu, it's choice. So we want to make sure students are having choices. Now coming down here, if you want to print this out, it's just easier for you to have in your hand, you can. It's printable version, week 1 learning board. So this is all for a week. So don't feel like you have to cram all this in one day or 2 days. It's spread out during the whole week. So we have our objectives up here. This is our goal for the end of the week, what students will be able to do. I'm going to keep coming down here. So they have the little boxes, so like a menu. Now, if you can't do everything, hopefully we can focus on the benchmark, because benchmark is our reading curriculum. And then the boxes have spelling and phonics. They're going to have spelling words. We have grammar, writing, and what's really nice is that it's in English and Spanish. Coming down here, we'll have Success Maker, IXL, handwriting practice. There's going to be lots of videos for the students to watch to help them. So let's come up here. So let's say we want to, let's say for today, I want them to first start off with handwriting practice. So I'm going to come down here. I'm going to click on handwriting practice sheet. And it's going to take you to the page. Now this page you would print out if it's easier for you, or this is what you're going to be having in your packet. So students will use this page, they'll use their best handwriting, and we've used this in the classroom. They use this for bell work, so they know what to do. Copy a sentence, write their own sentence, and trace their letters. Now when you're done with this, I would like you to take a picture of their work and send it to me. I'm going to keep a file of what all the students are doing. Right now they don't know what the grading policy is. We've just heard that it might be pass or fail. So I want to make sure that students are getting credit for the work that they are doing at home. Let's come here. Now benchmark wasn't working for us earlier when I was working with the parents, so we're going to try. So it tells you what to do. So let's, for benchmark reading selection, go to Clever and select the benchmark app and go to your inbox and click assignment. So let me go to Clever. Okay, it took me there. Now I'm already signed in as a student. So you can go to teacher's page. And then we have benchmark. This is our reading curriculum. So I'm going to hit benchmark. Okay, now let's go to inbox. It says to go to inbox and the activity should be there. And if they're not, that means they just haven't put them there yet. So let's go back. Let's see if they have them under activities. Not there yet. Okay, so we're just gonna have to be patient. Not everything is up, but that's where you would find it. Once you log in, your student logs into Clever, they'll come into the teachers page, because that's where I'll keep everything, and then this is where you'll find benchmark. Okay, let's go back to, okay, and then we have YouTube videos, so we can click here.
To fly a rocket ship, you need to be an optimist.
Let's get
No
out of this
astronaut.
ad, skip ad, and then I'll have the video for them.
Homonyms.
So they're going to be working on homonyms, and then we can go back, and then after they watch the video, we have our grammar right here. They have a nice anchor chart. We always use anchor charts in our classroom when we're going to go over something, so you can print this out. I'm not too sure if they have this in your packet, but this is here, and you can go over this with the students. It's a multiple meaning word, and then go back. And then you have our practice sheet, so I'm going to click practice. Oh, there we go. It just takes a little while to load, and then it's right here for you. You can print it out, but again, this is going to be in your packet. So let me go back. Let's take a break from literacy, and let's see math. Now, just so you know, nothing is in a certain order, so don't feel like you have to go this way with your boxes, you know, whatever is best for you. And the same thing, you have a printable version where you can print this lesson out. And then here. So if you do want to go in an order, just start with lesson 7, go to 8, go to 9 and 10 after you watch the video. When you do a practice sheet, lesson 7, 8, 9, 10, but it's not in a certain order. So you don't have to start with the games and then go to a PBS video and then go to a practice sheet. It's all up to you. Whatever works best for you and what you have accessible to at home. So what I'm going to just click on first is a video. So they have Eureka video lessons and parent tips. So let's say today I want to start. Let's just say I want to start on lesson 7. So I'm going to hit lesson 7. And it's going to take me to a video that the students can watch. So they'll watch this video, and you just click play. And it's all right here for them to watch.
Right, this is first.
And then they have someone there teaching it. And then let's go to, okay, I finished the video, and say you do want to go in a certain order. I can go to student sheet. I can go to practice sheet. Let's go to lesson 7 practice sheet. And this will be in your packet, but you can print this out, and then it's right here. And we know some of these just because of homework, so it looks like our homework pages. What they want them to do is write the number and circle the set that is greater in each pair. So this week is all about greater than, less than, and equal to. And we've practiced this for a while, so everything that we are doing is review. So students should at least remember some part of greater than, less than, and equal to. And the objectives are right here, what we want them to know by the end of this week. They have PBS videos, they have games over here, more student sheets. So let's go to lesson 7. And then they can do this problem set. And we use these problem sets in the classroom. It's in a big book, so they know Eureka Math and they know their problem set. So this is not new to them. Down here, we have some more things. You can do some projects. It tells you what kind of activities to do at home. The vocabulary, so making sure students are using that word greater than, less than, place value, and then equal to. They have YouTube videos, so let's, if I'm just focusing on lesson 7 today, I'll hit lesson 7 video.
Hi friends, this lesson is for module 4, lesson 7.
And then someone will help
I
them,
was just talking about Valentine's Day.
teaching them what to do. And then for this one, again, you don't have to do everything that's on this menu. It's choice. But if you're going to something, if I would want you to just do something, the most important is just doing these Eureka videos. And then these Eureka student sheets. Those are going to be really important, as well as iExcel and Success Maker. So I would stick with these little 4 boxes right here. Those are going to be the biggest things. And then that would be it for math. And if you do have time, then you can go to music. We have OMA, Science and Social Studies, and they have the same thing. You're just going to click on a link, and it's not in any certain order. So they'll learn about Ellis Island. They have virtual field trips, so those are going to be really fun for the students. We have our objective, what students will be able to do at the end, and then more virtual field trips, and they have them in Spanish. And whatever they do in their packet, or if you printed it at home, just please make sure you're taking a picture so I can keep track of what they are doing. Okay. And then you'll be able to find all the different subjects right here on the site. And if you do have students in another grade level, you are able to find that also. It's kinder through 12th grade. So, and they have the same thing: literacy, math, music, OMA, science, and social studies. So this is just a little quick, just quickly showing you how to access the lesson plans. And please don't feel like you have to do all of them. It's choice. Maybe they want to do, you show them lesson 8, they'd rather do lesson 8. That's fine. It's all about choice and doing what you can do at home, because I know, it's not ideal. And if your student is struggling, you see that someone's struggling with greater than, less than, that's when I'm going to have my tutoring hours posted, and you can just sign up for a time and I'll work with them on Zoom. We'll work one-on-one and I'll go over greater than, less than with them. Or let's say you saw that in reading they couldn't sequence the story. You'll sign up for a tutoring time, and it's about 15 minutes. I'll work with them and we'll sequence the story together. So anything that you see that they're not getting and you want me to come in and support you, I can come in and I can work with them one-on-one on anything. Or if something in science and social studies that they're not getting, I can work with them in that. But yes, if you have any more questions, go ahead and write me on Blooms. Some of you do have my phone number. Text me, call me, whatever is easiest for you. If email is easier, you can email me. So just let me know. I'm here for you all. And just like you, I'm still learning, these websites and these activities. So we're learning together. Thank you.